having started to dive into this stuff, it's been amazing. Like, this technology is definitely this is the most amazing thing I've ever seen in my lifetime, and it's really fun to be a part of it, but I can see that it's no joke. It's clear it's gonna change humanity in a way that I'm not sure people are ready for, because it's gonna be an exponential change that is gonna change every aspect of who we are as a species. It's gonna change our economy for sure. It's gonna change the economy. I don't see how our current methods of doing business don't completely 100% change, because think about it. If they're saying, "Oh, it's gonna take all the jobs and stuff." Okay, if that happens, right? And I'm not saying if it will or no, it won't, right? I can't predict the future. But